Hey guys, in this part we talk about if and else in Python. Python supports the usual logical conditions from mathematics. These conditions can be used in several ways, most commonly in if statements and loops. An if statement is written by using the if keyword. So I create a variable is 33 and b is 200 if b greater than a, print b is greater than a. Save and run. b is greater than a. 200 is greater than 33. And indentation. Python relies on indentation to define a scope in the code. Other programming languages often use the curly brackets for this purpose. So I remove the indentation and we have an error in here. And elif. The elif keyword is Python's ways of saying if the previous conditions were not true, then try this condition. For example, I changed the b to 33 and elif a equal to b, print a and b are equal. Save and run. A and b are equal. A is equal to b. So the first condition is not true. But the elif condition is true. So we print to the screen a and b are equal. And else. The else keyword catches anything which isn't called by the preceding conditions. So else print a is greater than b. A is greater than b. So the first condition is false. Also the elif condition is not true. So we go to the else condition and print to the screen a is greater than b. Run. A is greater than b. And you can also have an else without the elif. So I comment the elif and else b is not greater than a. Save and run. B is not greater than a. And shorthand if you have only one statement to execute, you can put it on the same line as the if statement. So I comment this and if a greater than b, print a is greater than b. Run and a is greater than b. And shorthand if else. If you have only one statement to execute, one for if and one for else, you can put it all on the same line. So I change the a to 2 and comment this and print a if a is greater than b, and else print b. Save and run, and we have b. And if I change the a to 200, save and run, and we have a. And this technique is known as ternary operators or conditional expressions. You can also have multiple else statements on the same line. For example, copy paste and comment this, print a if a greater than b, and else print equal sign if a equal to b, and else print b, and I change the b to 200, save and run, and we have equal sign. And if I change the b to 20, we should have a. And the AND keyword is a logical operator and is used to combine conditional statements. So I comment this and create another variable c equal to 500, and write if a greater than b and c greater than a, print both conditions are true, save and run, and both conditions are true. And if I change this condition, c is smaller than a, save and run, and we don't have anything. And or the OR keyword is a logical operator and is used to combine conditional statements. So I copy and paste and comment this, remove indentation, and so if a greater than b or c smaller than a, change the print to at least one condition is true, save and run, and at least one condition is true. And nested if, you can have if statements instead if statements. This is called nested if statements. So copy, paste, and comment, and so if so I create another variable x equal to 41, and if x greater than 10, print above 10, and if x is greater than 20, print and also above 20, and else print but not above 20, save and run. Above 10 and also above 20, and if I change the x to 15, save and run, and we have above 10 but not above 20. And the pass statement, if statements cannot be empty, but if you for some reason have an if statement with no content, put it the pass statement to avoid getting an error. So comment this, and if a is greater than b, and pass a statement, save and run, and we don't have an error. And if I remove the pass, we have an error in here.